This 2012 Keystone Cougar XLite 29 Res is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, Skylight, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, awning, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Keystone Cougar XLite 29 Res is 7,413 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.